Some songs carry memories, and this one carries a piece of my heart. A beautiful Bengali melody, later reborn in Hindi and sung on screen by Rajesh Khanna. Rajesh Khanna was my papa's favorite actor after Devanand. He always admired his gentle look, his calm presence, and that unforgettable sweet smile. Today, while I sing this song, I'm remembering him, remembering the music he loved and the warmth he carried in my life.
ঘুরে ঘুরে মরে নিচ্ছে একদিন চেয়ে দেখি আমি তুমি হারা আমার প্রশ্ন করে নীল ধ্রুব তারা আর কতকাল আমি রব দিশাহারা